everyone, this is Joanne coming to you for Bramble Fox. Today we're going to make a Christmas layout. How gorgeous. I have so many new things to show you. The stuff in the shop right now is unbelievable. Look at these super cute little cookies, and these are wood veneer. I love those. And there's a ton of beautiful fall stuff because I know I'm not done scrapping my fall yet. So look at that tree and the leaves and the acorn, super pretty. And then look at these gorgeous snowflakes. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic. I'm trying to show you without the glare. These are mirrored, so beautiful. And then they have little pearls that go on them too. Oh my gosh, love it. I have ink on my fingers, sorry. And then this one's Christmas Traditions. Look at how beautiful. I'm going to use this one today. And then we have beautiful Jingle All the Way with a little Santa sleigh. How pretty is that? There. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this one's one of my favorites. It's called Mistletoe Kisses, and it's got some holly branches and a bunch of X's for kisses. Isn't that pretty? Which goes perfectly with the new stencil that has the X's, and this is like a brick wall stencil. Let's see. Isn't that perfect? This is going to go perfect with that. I'm going to use that on a different layout. And then paper snips. Oh my goodness. These are definitely my faves. There is a little critter or some kind of little present or a bell or a house, a sweater, a tree, star. Each one are numbered 1 through 31. So you could use these as your numbers for your December daily or your December documented. Isn't that super cute? I love it. The little gnome. Oh, I'm going to use that on my December daily, I think. I'm definitely using some of these today. Oh, this was Paper Snip 16. Sorry. This is Paper Snips 15. And you get the sentiments and tags. And these are awesome. You just punch them out with a 1-inch punch. And then you get these little epoxy dots from Bramble Fox 2, and you just put those over that, and then all of a sudden you have your own epoxy flare that you've made yourself. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm definitely going to use this, and I'm going to use this today. And what we're going to do is I used a bunch of papers from the Hip Kit Club, and I think this was last year's collection, 2021. Pretty, right? I just put borders on here, and I did ink them, distressed it with some green ink this time, so it would be all Christmassy. So there's green, and then we have this pretty one that says Merry Christmas. I made a big long tag, and then I made a smaller tag from one of the pocket life cards, and then I have 3 super cute photos. This is my grandson, one of 4, and here he is opening his presents with Christmas lights around him with my husband. He thought that was great, opening presents with Grandpa. So I'm going to use those, and I was thinking about taking this piece of paper. This is a 6 by 12 with 2 border strips, and putting that there, and then putting the Merry Christmas paper sort of like in the middle. And this is a 6 by 12 too, but I feel like I'm going to cut that much off from it and have this not going all the way over. Have 2 long tags, which I'm going to have to cut. So I think I'll put it like that, and then put this one here a little bit lower, like so. And then just go ahead and put 3 photos on this page. Let me see. Something like this. I want to make sure I can see this because I think that's really pretty. And then just put them all right next to each other. I'll probably have to move them over a little bit. Like that. Yes, that's perfect. So I'll move this. And I just backed all 3 of those with pocket life cards from the Hip Kit Club. Have that showing, and then have that go a little bit more. So something like that. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down, but I thought also, oops, I just knocked that. you get the idea. I was going to take this really cool trim I just picked up at the craft store and put that underneath there. Okay, I have all this stuck down, and here's my little trim. Doesn't that look cute? I did put some Christmas light stickers right there because they were super thin and I didn't want to rip them, so I just went ahead and put them down. So I was thinking I would put my title right there. Isn't that cute? But I want to say, I was looking through this and it said countdown. So I thought my title could be Christmas Countdown. Now this is chipboard, so I'm going to take this off there and see my placement. I have a bunch of ephemera picked out over here, and I fussy cut some of the paper snips. And we're going to use paper snips again from number 15. That is a must-have. It's so cute. So I want to say Christmas and then put countdown underneath it, because this was, of course, Christmas Eve. We always have Christmas Eve at our house. I'm going to put my perspective down. I just love this. I could do like 25 of them. This is how thick they are. If you wanted to know, they have beautiful dimension, but it's not so much that it would interfere with your layout or putting it in your album. Just so you know, in case you've never used Bramble Fox before, I will put the link to Bramble Fox below, and check out the Bramble Fox YouTube page, the blog, the Facebook group. The design team is amazing. All right, look how cute that looks. Christmas countdown. I love that perspective. Let me show you the dimension. These are fussy cut flowers from one of the pattern papers. I thought I'd make a little cluster down here in the corner of this photo. So I picked out some leaves, and I did use this awesome piece of candy from the Paper Snips 15, and then I put the epoxy on it, and I just love it. I thought that would look really cute there. And we will put some leaves in here just to give this pretty flower some leaves. Hopefully I don't knock them off my table here. Let me see. And then one more. I think it looks nice with 3 leaves. Yeah, let's do that. I want to get one more of these. I love these. So you just take one of your little 1-inch punches and you just go in here. And then I always do it upside down so I can see what I'm doing. And then you just look around and make sure you have it perfect. And I put my hand over it because I don't want it to go flying across the room. And it comes out perfect. All right. And then you take these epoxy stickers that you get from Bramble Fox also. And then you just put it over that. And then I press down and smooth it out to make sure that it adheres properly and it looks nice. And look how cute. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to use him over here. And then from the paper snips, I fussy cut this little joyful tag. I thought I would sneak it in right there on the side of this picture. And then also I have from the paper snips, it says naughty or nice. Okay, friends, I fear that I lost a tiny bit of footage, so I just put this tag up here that I was originally going to put here, and I glued down a couple florals and some leaves. So we didn't miss much. So I'm going to finish this. I decided that this cute December chipboard, that I would put it right on the tag, right about here, so we would know that it was Christmas Eve. And then, of course, I will do a date stamp and journaling later. This is a really cute penguin sticker. I think I tried to use him like 25 different times, so he's lost his stick. Put a little glue on him. Just kind of tuck him in here. Yeah, he looks really, really, really cute there. All right, and then I'm going to put a couple things on my tags. So I have this nice thread. I don't remember where I got it from. Just take a couple pulls from it. I use my fabric shears to cut my twine just so it doesn't get raggedy on the end. And then I'll take a piece and I'll double it and put them just together like this. And then I'll make my bow. So I have a double bow. instead of just a thin single bow. And then I'll tie it really tight. And then I'll come in, I'll put my finger in between there just so it doesn't get all messed up, and then pull it down. So they're both the same size on both sides. I think I need to pull a little bit more. Tighten it back up. And it's still a little bit too big. And then you end up with double. Let's check the length. No, that length is good. I think that's adorable. So I'll just put a big dollop of glue right in the middle of the tag hole, and then just put that over it, and don't touch it, because I always mess around with it and then I always end up pulling it before the glue's dry. Santa's coming. Let's look. Family gathering is cute. Santa's coming. See if I can get some of these in here. All right. Oh, right here. Yep, cute. I'm going to put some glue on that though, because I don't want it to pop off, because it's so cute. I don't want to lose it. Just make sure it's straight. Hold it for a second. There. And then where can we put this? Yeah, that looks cute. Why not, right? Here's some chipboard. I wonder if I can get a present, like over here or something. Cute. Let's try. Here's a green present. I would be covering up that leaf, but I'm not sure I really mind. Oops, I'm stuck. Yeah, I like that better. Last but not least, we have silver enamel dots and these stars. And I'm thinking I definitely might want to put a couple stars around, because they're so, so cute. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's do some enamel dots. Now, I believe from past experience that these have excellent adhesive, so I'm not going to worry about that. That's a little bit too big for me. So let's do 3 here. 1, 2, and then we'll get a little teeny one. Okay guys, I think I'm all done. I just wanted to show you one little final touch that I put on. I used my honeybee stamped gems, and I put them inside all the little stars on this paper. Let me bring it up close so you can see. Just a little added touch and some bling. I love it. All right, so let's do some close-ups. This is what the epoxy flare looks like close up, and they're wonderful. I love them. My super cute grandson. Here's this amazing Christmas perspective. I will link that below so you can go right to it and get one for yourself. And if you want, you can order, and you can also subscribe to the monthly Fox box, which is so wonderful. Sorry about the couple glares. So here's all that. So I hope that you like this, and check out my channel, the Bramble Fox channel. Like and subscribe, and also follow everyone on the design team. They're so amazing. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by. Have a good day.